open road is a place of freedom, of new opportunities, a way of life. But with that freedom comes a degree of uncertainty, and drivers can use all the protection they can get. Introducing the new SC Smart Dash Cam series from Cobra. With advanced features like high-definition recording, enhanced night vision, and cloud video management that allows you to store, edit, and share footage from anywhere. SC dash cams are ideal for anyone with a desire to drive smarter and safer. They're always looking out for the driver, on the road ahead, behind the vehicle, and even inside the cabin. Built-in G sensors protect footage automatically before, during, and after emergencies to ease the process of insurance claims. And the Mayday notification lets you send an alert to an emergency contact in the event of an accident. The SC201 even offers an infrared LED interior camera for enhanced nighttime video. Plus, with the Drive Smarter app, drivers will have peace of mind with unprecedented control over their experience on and off the road. And connection to the Cobra community of drivers gives you access to more than 100 million real-time alerts of red light cameras, speed traps, and more. With an SC dash cam from Cobra on your dash, your vehicle becomes smarter. You'll drive smarter, and it'll help keep you and your loved ones safer on the road.
No matter how much you prepare, life can be full of unexpected surprises. The BlackVue DR770X series Full HD cloud-compatible dash cam captures life's unexpected moments in critical detail for safekeeping. Now you can rest easy, knowing that you have video evidence stored safely. With parking mode, your BlackVue keeps watch while you're away, with options for time-lapse or motion detection. Events are captured with buffered recording, so you'll have indisputable evidence of what led to the incident. With a BlackVue Cloud account, you'll receive alerts of motion or impact, as well as take comfort in knowing that event footage is automatically stored in the cloud with live event upload. And with seamless pairing, setting up your dash cam is a breeze. No need for passwords or scanning codes. Don't get caught off guard when life hands you the unexpected. Ensure reliable protection for you and your vehicle with the BlackVue DR770X series dash cam.
How do you know if you need the latest Garmin Dash Cam? You drive one of these, or this, over epic distances, or just to go get takeout. In bumper-to-bumper traffic.
Okay, Garmin, save video.
To get out of town.
Are you seeing this? Are you seeing what I'm seeing?
And see the sights.
Is he pointing at anything in particular?
In all conditions.
Oh, bikes. Mom?
So, you either need to pick up a full-time passenger with a photographic memory.
Oh, I forgot already.
Or one of these. Garmin Dash Cam. The HD driving recorder that remembers all the details of your drive.
Awesome features. Small, that's good. Easy to use. I need that. Okay, now we're talking. Yes, GPS, why not? 1440, that's even bigger. Control with your voice.
Choose a Garmin Dash Cam and pick up the perfect passenger.
Even the most cautious and careful drivers cannot control events outside of their vehicles. That's why numerous road users experience dangerous and erratic drivers and remain helpless. But now they can actually do something about it and use cameras to help identify dangerous drivers. With an in-car camera or dash cam, you can get another set of two eyes to keep a video record of what occurred and when during your journey. But with several companies offering dash cams, are you confused which one to choose? If yes, then trust Rove R2 4K Dash Cam. Today's most advanced and powerful 4K video car dash camera that can record Ultra HD videos up to a resolution of 2160p, whereas its revolutionary Super Night Vision technology helps to get unmatched clearer footage and images from the recording, even in low light conditions. With its built-in Wi-Fi, you can use the Rove app to view and manage dashcam recordings instantly on your iOS and Android devices. By using the app, you can download your recorded 4K videos directly to your smartphone and then easily share these on social media with friends and family. Its built-in GPS enables you to view your driving route and tracker on Google Maps and accurately records your driving location and speed. Moreover, the revolutionary Rove R2 4K dash cam has state-of-the-art features such as f1.8 apertures, the largest in the industry, parking mode, motion detection, 150-degree A+ wide-angle lens, G-sensor, loop cycle recording, emergency video lock, time-lapse video, slow-mo video, and supports up to 128 gigabytes, Class 10 U3 speed micro SD card.
Hi, Grandma! I miss you so much. I have the biggest story. Wait, can you hear me? Grandma! No, I'm still here.
Sometimes
No,
connectivity can mean everything.
This cannot be happening.
Finding a constant and reliable connection can still be a struggle.
Can you hear me?
Fortunately, the new BlackVue DR970X 2-channel LTE dash cam makes it easy for you and your vehicle to stay connected anywhere, anytime. With the DR970X LTE, we've combined our top-of-the-line 4K dash cam with simple LTE connectivity using the built-in SIM card reader. Now, you can rest easy knowing that your dash cam is always capturing critical moments in ultimate detail while automatically backing event footage up to the cloud for safekeeping. You'll enjoy the benefits of BlackVue's parking mode as well as cloud features such as event notifications and live event upload. And with seamless pairing, setting up your dashcam is easier than ever before. No need for passwords or scanning QR codes. The BlackVue DR970X LTE dashcam also doubles as a Wi-Fi hotspot for up to 5 devices, allowing passengers to hop online from your dashcam while on the go. Get the best 4K dashcam protection and ultimate cloud connectivity with the DR970X 2-channel LTE.